Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace CV joint Honda CR-V, easy method. Start by loosening lug nuts while the car is on the ground, then lift and support the vehicle securely with jack stands before removing the wheel. Remove the axle nut and separate the lower ball joint to free the hub assembly. Keep track of fasteners and use penetrating oil on stubborn bolts to make reassembly smoother and faster. In this video, I will explain how to replace CV joint Honda CR-V, easy method. Once the wheel and axle nut are off, carefully wiggle the hub free and separate suspension components as needed to drop the axle out. Use a pry bar at the transmission seal with gentle force to release the inner joint, catching any leaking fluid. Inspect the splines and replace any circlips, then prepare the new CV joint for installation with fresh grease. In this video, I will explain how to replace CV joint Honda CR-V, easy method. Quick recommendation: when you're working in the garage, stay hydrated. I use the Owala water bottle for easy sipping between steps, and it keeps spills to a minimum. If you like this tip and the walkthrough, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to replace CV joint Honda CR-V, easy method. After prepping the new joint, align splines and push the axle firmly into the transmission until it seats. You should hear a clear click. Reassemble the hub, reconnect the lower ball joint, and torque everything to spec using a torque wrench. Reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and perform a short road test to confirm smooth operation and that no unusual noises remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.